We are a renewable energy charity up in the Upper Aman Valley. We are now in our new project, which is Hwb y Gors, which is a community hub of creative arts, clubs, warm hub, board game cafe and repair cafe, and lots more. You can find us in Cwm Gors, and also if you want to have a look on our social media on Facebook, you would just type in Hwb y Gors, and on our website hwbygors.cymru. We would like to say a huge thank you to all of our visitors already since we opened in September, and the incredible volunteers that we have buzzing around the building doing all sorts of different things for us, and the amazing trustees that have supported us in this new project. And happy Christmas.